This learning is Le'ili Nishmas Bruya Bas Chananya, Mesachas Kilayim, Perek Beis, Mishna Gimel. Haisa Sadeus Ruachitim, if someone's field is planted with wheat, V'nimlach L'zara Zeraim, the person changed their mind and they want to plant barley over there, but the wheat seeds are still in the ground. So the halacha is Yamtin La Ad Shetaslia, he has to wait until the seeds develop roots, which takes around 3 days. V'yoifach, and then he has to turn over the soil by plowing it, and thereby kill the roots that developed from the wheat. And then va'achar kach yizran, then he can plant the barley. And the reason that the person has to first wait for the seeds to develop roots and then only afterwards plow the field is because if they plow the field before the seeds develop roots, all it's going to do is move the seeds around. And then later they're going to grow together with the barley. However, once the seeds already develop roots and then the person uproots them by plowing the field, so then these seeds won't grow roots again and they won't grow in the field. And the halacha is that even if some of the wheat ends up growing in this field, it's okay because the person made it clear that they don't want to grow the Kilayim. The Mishnah continues, Im tzimcha, what if the wheat already began to grow? So the halacha is, Lo yemar ezra v'achakach eifach. A person should not say, first I'm going to plant the barley seeds, and then afterwards I'll plow the field. Because what people would do is they would plant the seeds, and then they would plow their field in order that the seeds should get properly into the earth. So this person may want to choose to only plow the field once, instead of first uprooting all of the wheat, then planting the barley, and then plowing the field again. The person may say, let me just put the seeds in the ground, and then I'll plow the field once and accomplish two things. I'll uproot the wheat, and also properly plant the barley seeds. A person can't do this because then it shows as if they want the wheat to remain there. The wheat is there, and while the wheat is there, they're planting the barley. So rather, hoifech va'achakach zeraim. First, the person has to turn over the field, meaning they have to plow the field, and then afterwards they'll plant their barley seeds and then plow again in order that they should be properly placed into the ground. The Mishnah continues and explains kama yehei chayrish. How much does the person have to plow in this case when they want to uproot the wheat? So it's ketalme haravia. It's like the furrows that a person makes after the first rain, where they don't actually plow the entire field fully, but rather they make furrows along the field, and there are areas between the furrows that are not plowed. That's enough because the person is clearly showing that they don't want Kelayim in their field. However, there's a second opinion. Abba Shol says no. It has to be Kadesh Yishaer Reiva LeBeisa. There can't even be one Reiva of unplowed area in a Beisa, which is a 24th of the field, meaning that only if less than a 24th of the field is plowed, is it fine. However, if it's more than a 24th of the field, it's not good enough, and the person has to continue plowing.